Are too many Chrome tabs making your brain feel like it's about to explode? You're not alone, and Google just dropped a game-changing fix. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech updates. Say goodbye to the endless tab shuffle, because with Chrome's new split view feature, you can now view two tabs side by side in the same window, making cross-checking info, comparing documents, or filling out forms a breeze. No more hunting through dozens of tiny, pixelated tab icons like a digital scavenger hunt. Using split view is simple. Just right-click any open tab in your toolbar and select split view with current tab. If you don't see the option, just update Chrome via settings, then about Chrome. Instantly, both tabs share the screen, fully interactive, letting you click, scroll, and type without switching windows or losing your piece. Managing your split view is just as slick. Click the Arrange Split View icon at the top left to access options like separate views, which will make it back to normal, close left right view, or reverse views, which swaps tab positions in seconds. It's surprisingly handy when juggling multiple tasks at once. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever survived the chaos of endless tabs. Comparing sources, tracking spreadsheets, or keeping reference pages open while working have become fast, smooth, and shockingly satisfying. Chrome's split view may sound small, but it's a productivity lifesaver for anyone drowning in tabs. So stop wasting time hunting for the right page. Let split view organize your chaos and make your browsing actually enjoyable again. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.